Welcome back to episode 3 of our video editing for social series. Did you know that branded content is 22 times more engaging than display ads? Let's find out why. I'm Tiana, the Product Marketing Manager for Canva Video. In this episode, we're diving into why consistent branding is so essential across the content you create. It's time to analyze, take a moment to think about who you are, not just as a person, but also as a brand. Let's define that. The videos you put out on social media represent you and your brand. This can be shown through the colors, images, sounds, fonts, logos, presenters, anything that you use consistently to create your content. It could even be your cat turning up in every video you produce. Your brand makes you recognizable in a sea of other creators.
When planning your content, do some research. You should ask yourself, what do I love to watch? What content do I enjoy? Once I have defined who I am, what about my audience? Who are they? How old? What gender? Where are they in the world? What do they watch and on what platforms? Do they watch on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook? How about those around me? What do other creators and brands in my genre produce? Check out what's in your suggestions or what people in your genre produce. If you ever wanted to go on a social media binge, now is the time to do the research. Now for the big picture. What's trending? Let's look outwardly. It might be globally or even just locally. What is trending on all these levels and how do these trends fit within my brand? If you start with you, then those around you, and then everyone else, it gives you a really clear view of the space you're trying to navigate. Finally, authenticity is everything. People will know if you're not using your own tone of voice. Take the time to craft pieces and be aware of trends, but don't just jump on a trend if it doesn't fit your brand. My favorite quote is good artists copy, great artists steal. This means take what you want from anywhere as inspiration, like trends, but make sure to make it your own and that it feels like your brand voice. People can tell if you're being inauthentic. Just think, if your brand was a real person, is this something they would actually do or does it feel odd? Luckily, Canva ensures creating consistently branded content is super easy. By setting up your brand kit in Canva with your brand colors, fonts, and logos, you can easily update any design to be on brand in just a click of a button. Let's take a look at this video to see how to set up a brand in Canva from your mobile.
If you have not yet set up your brand kit, we have a workbook to guide you through how to do it. Just head to this link or scan this QR code to access your copy. That wraps up episode 3 on all things branding. I hope you learned a bit more about how to incorporate elements of your brand into your social videos. In the next episode, we're going to start creating our video. This is a super exciting one, so you don't want to miss out. Don't forget to subscribe so you get notified when it goes live. See you there!